Everybody, it's me, Sissy. Don't pay attention to that noise. That's just my washer. I'm trying to get ahead on my laundry. And I wanted to share a really quick tip for you. I meant to do this earlier for Halloween, but you know, real life gets in the way. But I did a video earlier showing how I made this fall wreath. So I'm going to show you how I'm easily going to change this fall wreath. I used base colors that would be good for the fall. Would take me into Halloween, and then could take me on into Thanksgiving. So I'm just going to take the little welcome fall sign off. So I just had it on there with pipe cleaners. And then if you wanted to for Halloween, you could add some other ribbons in, another ribbon on top of this. It's easy to take it and just tuck it in where you have your loops on here already. But I think there's enough ribbon on here for this. And I'm just going to add some little Halloween elements on here. Now, one thing that you could do, I did a video of, I made this little wall hanging on a charger plate with the Halloween spider. And an easy fix to make this for Halloween is just to hang this in the middle of it and hang it on your porch, on your porch or your wall or wherever you want to display it. And that's a quick and easy way to do it. And it gives this little wall hanging more substance, but I think this is cute as is, but it makes it extra special if you just hang it on here like this. But that's not the one that I'm going to do. I know this is last minute, tomorrow's Halloween, but you know, I don't really keep a lot of decorations up on my porch for Halloween, so this could probably just stay up one night. But I'm going to use this cute little Mr. Bone skeleton here, and we're just going to secure him on our wreath with some pipe cleaners. That way he's easy to take on and off. I just got some little black ones. And he has a convenient hole in the top of his head. So I'm just going to take that, loop the pipe cleaner through it, get it through all my mesh on here. He's on there, and then I'm going to secure his feet on here a little bit, and I have another pipe cleaner. Let me so we're going to just secure his feet on here, and I have just another piece of black pipe cleaner, and I'm just going to put a little twist tie on here to hold his foot. And then the other one we're just going to stick on there. And now for his hands, I think I'm going to add another little element. I got this really cute boo sign, and I'm going to put that on here. And it has holes in it where the string was, and I'm just going to put pipe cleaner through that. And put that on the top of the wreath. And see, these things are so lightweight that you can just attach them to the ribbon. You don't really have to attach them to the wreath form. They're not going to go anywhere, but I'm going to squish through here. And I use this nice shiny pipe cleaner, so I'm just going to give them a little twirl them around my finger and make them a curly Q, and they're part of the decoration. And it makes it really easy to pull it back off once you get through. So I'm going to do it through both the little holes. And then of course you'll just hang it up and arrange it and, you know, fluff it out how you want it. Get Mr. Skeleton Man there done the way you want him to look. I kind of wanted him to go around the edge and maybe put his little hands like he's holding the boo sign or in the boo sign. Let's see, how can I do his hands? Okay. So there's how I've done my quick and easy little Halloween wreath with the skeleton like he's saying boo and laughing at you. And see that, and then I'm just going to take this off, and then for Thanksgiving I'm going to add some of this burlap ribbon in here to kind of tone down the bright orange colors, and maybe some flowers. And then I'm going to put this gathered together sign right in the center of it. So see, that's a quick and easy way. You can just make your base wreath with some fall colors, and then you got 3 wreaths in one. That'll carry me all the way to December when I'm going to try to get my Christmas wreath up. But anyway, that's one way to take one wreath for fall and use it 3 different ways. So I think it turned out kind of cute. I know it's last minute, but I'm sorry. We all get busy. But anyway, y'all have a great Halloween. Don't eat too much candy. And remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye, y'all.